Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Surfshark for unlimited devices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in the Surfshark website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Surfshark button and click on it. You will be directed to a pricing page that displays various subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding Buy Now button. If prompted, you can select any optional add-ons, like a dedicated IP or extra security features. Next, scroll down to the Account Information section. Enter your email address to create an account. Then, choose a payment method from the available options. Fill in your payment details as required. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit or Purchase button to finalize your subscription. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and follow any instructions provided to activate your account. Now, download the Surfshark app for your device from the website. Install the app following the on-screen instructions. Open the Surfshark app and log in using the email and password you provided earlier. Once logged in, you can connect to any server location and enjoy unlimited device protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.